Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy certificates of deposit, or CD, on Vanguard. CDs can be a great way to save money with predictable returns. Vanguard provides access to a wide selection of brokered CDs from many different banks, offering various terms and interest rates. This guide will walk you through the process, helping you understand the benefits and steps involved in adding CDs to your investment portfolio. When you buy CDs through Vanguard, you are investing in brokered CDs. These differ slightly from bank-issued CDs, but offer similar benefits, including Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insurance up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. You can choose from a variety of terms, from short-term options like 3 months to longer terms such as 5 or even 10 years, allowing you to match your savings goals. To purchase CDs, first log into your Vanguard account and find the Trade section. From there, select Bonds and CDs, then Certificates of Deposit. You will see a list of available CDs. Use the filters to narrow down your choices by term, yield, or issuing bank. Once you find a CD that fits your needs, simply select it and enter the amount you want to invest, typically with a minimum of $1,000. Before buying, remember that CDs are generally illiquid. Selling before maturity might result in a loss of principal or penalties. The interest rate is fixed for the entire term, so you won't benefit from rising rates. Consider a CD laddering strategy where you buy CDs with staggered maturity dates to improve liquidity. Always review the issuing bank's details and confirm the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insurance coverage for your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.